Welcome, dear children. So, we have another video for your EVS class, and that is about new chapter, lesson 5, water. So, let's get started. Lesson 5, water. So, children, water is very important for human beings. All living beings need water to live. We can live for 7 days without eating, but without drinking water, we cannot live more than 3 days. So, to stay healthy, a person could consume at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. When there is no water, when you are thirsty, we feel discomfort. That itself shows the importance of water. So, children, water is very, very essential for living things. So, we must conserve it. Water is a gift of God for human being. It is impossible for life to function without water. So, let's see the uses of water. As we know, water is very much needed for various activities. So, in this video, we are going to see the various uses of water. As we already know, human beings, plants, and animals need water to survive. They need water to drink and to take bath. So, have a look on this, children. It shows that we need water for various purposes. So, what are the various purposes? Domestic use, agricultural use, industrial use, and to generate electricity. So, water is used for various purposes: domestic use, agricultural use, industrial use, and to generate electricity. So, children, what are domestic use? Let's see. For washing clothes, then for cleaning utensils, for watering plants, we have to water daily. Then for cooking, we need water. Then to brush our teeth, to wash our face and hands, to wash vehicles, for cleaning, to drink, we need water to drink. Then for bathing. So, uses of water: drinking, bathing, cooking, washing vehicles, utensils, cleaning, etc. Let's look the agricultural use. So, in the fields, water is used for irrigation. Now, we are going to see water is used in industries. So, for their products, manufacturing, and other industries used water. So, children, we understood that water is a precious and a valuable resource on the earth. So, we have to conserve it. Now, we are going to see some do's and don'ts while using water. So, children, after each and every use, turn off the tap. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Then take short bath and prevent excess use of water. In case if you find any leakages, contact a plumber as soon as possible. Water is very precious, so use it wisely. Save water, save life.